property has a walk-in shower, and there are two ways to shower. You can either have the rainwater overhead shower, or you can go for the traditional head just here on the right. To operate the shower, you have your temperature on the right hand side. So if you turn this towards you, that becomes hotter. If you turn it away from you, it becomes colder. If you wish to use the overhead shower, then what you do is turn this away from you, and this will then produce water through this part here. If you wish to use the shower head here, then you turn this dial towards you, and this will activate the water. To turn off the shower, just make sure that you return it to the stop, to this mark. Thank you.